Hello, friends. Welcome back to our Calm English listening practice. Today, we ask a very simple but important question. Do you really need to prove anything? Think about that for a moment. Do you feel like you always need to show others you are smart, talented, or strong? Imagine this. You are at home. You just finished your work and a friend calls. They ask, "Did you finish that project on time?" You say yes, but inside you feel tired. Why? Maybe because you always try to prove you can do everything perfectly. I want you to imagine something else. Imagine you are scrolling social media. You see your friends posting their photos, their trips, their work achievements. Sometimes you feel you should post something too, just to show you are doing well. This is very common. Many people feel this way. But the question is, do you really need to prove anything? Let's practice a short sentence together. Say this slowly. Repeat after me. I am enough just as I am. Repeat it 2 more times. I am enough just as I am. 1 more time. I am enough just as I am. Feel the words. Your voice is calm. Your mind is calm. Now, let's imagine a small story. Anna is a young woman. She works in an office. Every day, she tries to be perfect. She answers emails quickly. She joins every meeting. She even works on weekends. Why? She wants everyone to see she is smart and hardworking. But Anna feels tired, very tired. One day, she asks herself quietly, "Do I really need to prove anything?" Think about your life. Maybe at school, work, or home, you also try to prove yourself. Sometimes it feels good. Sometimes it feels heavy. Here is a small dialogue you can imagine. Why are you working so much? I want to show I can do it. Do you enjoy it? I don't know, I feel tired. Notice the feeling. When you always try to prove yourself, your body and mind feel heavy. But when you accept yourself, even a little, your mind feels calm. Now, let's do another short shadowing sentence. Repeat after me. I do my best, and that is enough. Again, I do my best, and that is enough. 1 more time. I do my best, and that is enough. Here's a gentle tip. Start small. 1 sentence a day is enough. Try to say it when you feel tired or stressed. Try it at home. Try it at work. Try it in the morning. Your brain slowly starts to remember. I am enough. I do not need to prove everything. Imagine this. You are in the kitchen. You are making tea. You drop a cup. It breaks. Normally, you might feel bad. You might think, I should be careful. I need to show I am careful. But today you smile. You say quietly, it is okay. I do my best. Pause. Notice the feeling in your chest. Light, calm, free. Let's do another shadowing sentence. Say this slowly. Repeat after me. It is okay. I do my best. Again, it is okay. I do my best. 1 more time. It is okay. I do my best. Friends, feeling calm is not easy at first. Your mind may say, no, I need to prove myself. That is normal. Your brain is trained to think that way. But every time you say a gentle sentence, your brain slowly learns a new habit, a calm habit, a happy habit. Now let's pause. Imagine you are walking in a park. You see people laughing. Birds are singing. The sun is warm. You do not need to prove anything. You are already part of this world. You are already enough. Now, let's think about friends. Imagine you are with your friend, Sam. Sam is talking about his new hobby. He paints, he writes, he takes photos. You feel a little jealous. Maybe you think, I should do something amazing too. Stop for a moment. Ask yourself quietly, do I really need to prove anything? Sometimes it is okay to be inspired, but you do not need to compete. You do not need to show everyone you are the best. You only need to enjoy what you do. Here is a short dialogue you can imagine. Look at my painting. It is beautiful. Thanks. I tried hard. You do your best, and that is enough. Let's do a shadowing sentence from this. Repeat after me. I enjoy what I do. That is enough. Again, I enjoy what I do. That is enough. One more time. I enjoy what I do. That is enough. Think about your daily routine. Maybe you wake up, get ready, go to work or school. You check your phone, look at messages, scroll social media. Sometimes you feel pressure to answer quickly. You feel pressure to say something smart. Try this. When you feel pressure, take a deep breath. Look around. Notice small things. The sky, a cup of coffee, the sound of a clock. Say quietly, I am enough. Try it now. Repeat after me. I am enough. Again, I am enough. One more time. I am enough. Let's imagine a work scenario. You are in a meeting. Your boss asks a question. Normally, you might feel nervous. You think, I need to prove I know the answer. But today, you pause. You breathe. You answer calmly. You do your best. That is enough. Notice how your voice can feel calm. Notice how your body feels lighter. English learning is similar. You do not need to speak perfectly. You do not need to know every word. You do your best. That is enough. Here is a small interactive challenge. Today, try to say one English sentence calmly. Maybe at home, maybe on the phone, maybe in your head. Example, I speak slowly. I enjoy English. Repeat it after me. I speak slowly. I enjoy English. Again, I speak slowly. I enjoy English. One more time. I speak slowly. I enjoy English. Let's think about a small story. Tom likes to play the guitar. He posts a video online. Some people like it. Some people do not. Tom feels nervous. He wants everyone to like it. But then he says to himself, I play because I enjoy it. I do not need to prove anything. Feel the difference. His smile comes back. His shoulders relax. His fingers play freely. English can feel like that too. Speak freely. Make mistakes freely. Enjoy the moment. Here is another shadowing sentence. Repeat slowly. I enjoy the moment. I do not need to prove anything. Again, I enjoy the moment. I do not need to prove anything. One more time. I enjoy the moment. I do not need to prove anything. Now, think about your day tomorrow. Imagine waking up. You make tea or coffee. You start your tasks. You may check your phone. Remember quietly, I do my best. That is enough. Your day can feel lighter. Your mind can feel calm. Now, let's imagine a home scenario. You are cooking dinner. You burn a little food. Normally, you might feel frustrated. You might think, I should be perfect. I need to show I can cook well. But today, you pause. You take a deep breath. You say quietly, it is okay. I do my best. Feel the calm in your body. Your shoulders relax. Your smile comes back. Let's do a shadowing sentence together. Repeat slowly. It is okay. I do my best. Again, it is okay. I do my best. One more time. It is okay. I do my best. Friends, small moments like this make a big difference. Each time you stop trying to prove something, your mind feels lighter. You enjoy the moment. You speak calmly in English. You smile quietly. Now, let's think about a short dialogue with a friend. Why are you so quiet today? I am fine. I am learning to enjoy the moment. That sounds nice. How you do it? I remind myself, I do my best. That is enough. Notice how gentle words can change feelings. Notice how short sentences can bring calm. This works in English learning too. You do not need to speak perfectly. You do not need to impress anyone. You just speak. You practice. You enjoy. Here is a mini challenge. Today, try to say one English sentence calmly to yourself or a friend. Example, I enjoy speaking English. I do my best. Repeat it after me. I enjoy speaking English. I do my best. Again, I enjoy speaking English. I do my best. One more time. I enjoy speaking English. I do my best. Let's imagine one more story. Lisa likes to write messages to friends. Sometimes she writes carefully. She checks every word. She wants everyone to like her messages. But one day, she says quietly, I write because I enjoy it. I do not need to prove anything. Her messages feel calm. Her friends enjoy reading them. Lisa feels happy. You can feel that happiness too. When you speak English calmly, your words feel natural. You enjoy small wins. You feel proud. Here is another shadowing sentence. Repeat slowly. I speak calmly. I enjoy small wins. Again, I speak calmly. I enjoy small wins. One more time. I speak calmly. I enjoy small wins. Remember, friends, every small habit matters. One sentence a day. One calm moment a day. One gentle thought a day. Slowly your mind changes. Your English grows. Your confidence grows. You do not need to prove anything. You are already enough. Before we finish, try this short reflection. Close your eyes for a moment. Take a deep breath. Imagine your day. Imagine your small wins. Say quietly to yourself, I am enough. I do my best. I enjoy the moment. Feel proud of yourself. Smile. Your brain remembers wins. You are learning English calmly. You are growing calmly. One sentence, one moment, one day at a time. Thank you for practicing with me today. If you enjoyed this calm English shadowing session, try to use one sentence today in your life. Speak slowly. Speak kindly. Feel proud. Remember to like this video, comment with your favorite sentence, and subscribe for more calm, pressure-free English listening and speaking practice. Keep practicing. One small step a day is enough. See you in the next session. You are enough. You do your best. And you enjoy the moment. Goodbye, friends.